does it take to actually run modeling as a business? Because modeling, like every other business in the world, requires tools to be successful. And at W Talent, we make sure that all of our girls and gentlemen have the tools to be successful in the business of modeling. We'll provide for you what we call a composite. A composite is a cardstock piece of paper, half of an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and on the front we have what we call a headshot. Headshot is usually full front, nice smile, exactly the way you're going to look when you go to see a client. Then on the back, what we do is provide your statistics, height, weight, and measurements, and also we give a couple different looks of how you might be used in advertising. Couples, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and cruise. This is perfect. This is actually one of the best comps that I've seen, and of course our beautiful girl. Then, if you're going to be a serious actor or actress, we have what we call a headshot. A headshot provides a casting agent with exactly what you look like so they can remember who you are after you've done an audition. At W Talent, we shoot these and we provide them for all of our development people.